Hello po sa inyong lahat mga ka-crypto. Ako po si Pinoy Crypto Trader at sa video na ito ay atin pong pag-uusapan ang tungkol dito sa calculator na yan XRP ATI at saka Michnik calculator. Kung saan ay ayon po sa kanilang naging resulta ay si XRP raw ay magkakaroon ng presyo na $15 at 40 billion na trading volume. At ayan, bago po tayo magpatuloy ay nais ko lamang po munang bigyang linaw ang aking disclaimer kung saan ang nilalaman po ng video na ito ay hindi po ito isang financial advice. For education and information purposes lamang po ang layunin nito. Maliban po dito ay nais ko na rin po magbigay babala na wala pong kahit anumang group chat ang Pinoy Crypto Trader. Ayan, ang sabi po rito ay the XRP calculator based on the ATI and Michnik XRP valuation model puts XRP value at $15 in the next 2 years based on certain criteria such as 40 billion volume. Kaya ayan, ginamitan po ito ng XRP calculator na tinatawag pong ATI and Michnik XRP valuation model. At ang resulta po nito ay si XRP ay magkakaroon daw po ng value na $15 sa susunod na 2 taon. At ayan, ang ginamit pong basehan rito ay yung mga criterias tulad po ng 40 billion na volume nito. Kaya yan, XRP currently trades at 0.6246 as of press time despite its potential to revolutionize the global payment sector. As a result of its underperformance, several industry commentators have argued that the token is largely undervalued. Kaya yan pa rin po yung kasalukuyang presyo ni XRP, nasa 0.6246 hanggang sa ngayon. At yan, patuloy pa rin po yung kanyang potential or kakayahan na i-revolutionize or baguhin po yung global payment sector. Ayan, yung pamamaraan po ng payment system natin sa buong mundo. Ayan, ngunit ayan, patuloy pa rin po yung kanyang underperformance. Ayan, kaya marami po talagang nadidismaya ngayon kay XRP. At kitang-kita po yan sa aking pagbabasa sa mga comment section. Ayan. In 2018, Susan Athey, a Stanford professor at the time, and Robert Michnik, a Stanford MBA candidate at the time, introduced a research paper that sought to evaluate the fair market value of XRP as opposed to its actual market value. Kaya yan, meron pong dalawang magagaling dito, mga kilalang tao. Ayan, biruin mo naman, isang Stanford professor at saka isang Stanford MBA candidate dito ang nagtulungan para gumawa ng research paper at evaluate ang fair market value ng XRP. Kaya yan, the paper considered several market conditions such as supply and demand and the technology behind the asset. It estimated XRP's fair market value to range from a low of $6.37 to a high of $32.91. The paper also estimated that Bitcoin's fair market value ranges from $45,438 to $93,621. Kaya yan po yung kanilang naging resulta sa kanilang research dito. Ngayon, si XRP ay yung kanilang estimate raw sa kanilang fair market value o yung parang karapat-rapat na presyo ay yung pinakamababa ay nandito po sa $6.37 at yung pinakamataas naman po ay nasa $32.91. Pagdating naman po kay Bitcoin ay nasa 45,438. Ito naman po yung pinakamababa at ito naman po yung pinakamataas, 93,621. Shortly after Susan and Michnik released their evaluation model, a web-based calculator that uses this model surfaced. The Crypto Basic recently leveraged this calculator to estimate XRP value in the next 2 years, and the tool presented a price of $15. Kaya yan, yung pamamaraan po rito ni Susan at saka ni Michnik ay ginamit po ito para gumawa ng model web-based calculator. Yan. Yung ginamit po na evaluation model dito nila Susan Michnik Susan at saka si Michnik, ayun po yung in-implement nila dito sa web-based calculator. Yan. At lumabas po ito. At ayan, kumalat po sa mga iba't ibang mga dito sa internet. Kaya ito po yung ginamit ng CryptoBasic. Yan. At ginamit po nila yung calculator na ito para magkaroon ng estimate value ang XRP dito sa sunod na 2 taon. At ang lumabas po na resulta ay ayan, $15. Notably, the calculator presents the opportunity to provide projected data on 6 crucial XRP metrics. It then evaluates XRP's future price based on the data provided for these metrics. XRP metrics considered. Ayan, ito naman po yung mga naging basihan dito. Ginamit ng basihan rito sa calculator. Ayan, the first metric is the total estimated daily transaction volume. This refers to the XRP's 24-hour volume. We provided $0.04 trillion or $40 billion here. This figure is achievable seeing as XRP's highest 24-hour volume is $36.95 billion achieved on April 6, 2021. Kaya yan, ito po yung pinakaunang metric na naging basihan po rito. Yan, dito po sa calculator ni Susan and Michnik. Yan. Kaya ayan, ang ginamit po ng the CryptoBasic dito ay inilagay po nila ay $40 billion kasi napakalapit naman po ito sa kanyang trading volume na yan, actual na trading volume nitong nakalipas na 24 oras na nasa $36.95 billion na na-achieve po niya noong April 6, 2021 po pala ito. Kaya ayan. The second metric is the average time in days between transactions per 1 XRP. Talks about the average days that go by before market participants transact 1 XRP token. We kept this metric at the default figure 5. Kaya ayan. Ito naman po yung pangalawa, yung tinatawag nilang average time in days between transactions per 1 XRP. At ang ginamit po rito ng the CryptoBasic ay yung 5. Yan, default figure po yan. Meanwhile, the third metric, one of the most important parameters, highlights XRP's total valuation as a store of value. We put up $0.8 trillion or $800 billion here. Ayan, representing 10% of the estimate for gold as the fourth benchmark. We set 2 years at the time estimated for XRP to hit the projected volume. Kaya ayan, yan naman po yung third metric dito na kanilang inilagay rito. Linagay po nila ay nasa $800 billion. Yan, or 10%. Yan, estimate ng gold. Ayan, base po yan sa estimate ng gold. Yan, linagay po nila yan sa store of value or total valuation ng XRP. At yan, yung pang-apat naman ay fourth benchmark ay sinet po nila ay yung time estimate for XRP. Ayan, ay sinet po nila ay 2 years. Kaya ayan, ito po yung actual na screenshot ng kanilang in-input ng mga value dito sa XRP price calculator. Ayan, kita po natin dyan. Ayan, tapos pinutin na lamang natin yung calculate at yan po yung lalabas, 15.43 USD. For the fifth parameters, we projected XRP's circulating supply to hit 58.8 billion tokens within this time frame. This factor in Ripple keeps 200 million XRP in circulation every month after the 1 billion scroll release for 24 months, added to the current circulating supply of 54 million XRP. Kaya ayan, yung fifth parameter ay 58.8. Ayan, ito po yung circulating supply of XRP at the above duration in billions. Ayan, estimate po ito. Mga estimate, ayon po estimate ni the CryptoBasic. The sixth metric measures the average XRP interest rate for calculating the present value of future cash flow or values. We keep this at default value of 5. Kaya ayan, hindi po nila ginalaw yung pang 6 parameter. Ayan, default value po ito. Yan yung interest rate to discount for this duration at present time. Based on these metrics, the calculator estimated that XRP would reach a price of $15.43 in 2 years. At the XRP's price of 0.6246 and a $15.43 value would represent a 2,370% increase. While some of the metrics, such as the estimated store of value, could be difficult to attain, others like the 24-hour volume are more likely to materialize. Kaya ayan po ang resulta ng XRP calculator na ito. Ayan, 15.43, pero pwede pong magbago ito pag depende po kung ano yung i-input natin dito. Yung mga in-input po kasi dito ng mga parameters ay base po yan sa point of view ng the Crypto Basic. Ayan. At hanggang dito na lamang po tayo sa video na ito. Sana po ay inyong nagustuhan ang aking paliwanag dito. Kung inyo po itong nagustuhan, ay pakiclick lamang po ang like button nito. Para naman po sa mga bago lamang dito, kayo po ay aking inaanyayahan para mag-subscribe. Pakiclick na rin po ang bell icon nito dahil ito po ang siya magsisilbing notification nito sa mga bago kong videos na akin pong ina-upload sa aking YouTube channel na ito. Marami pong salamat sa panonood. Ingat po tayo lagi at God bless po sa ating lahat.